Biltmore Forest, Sand Creek, Skyland, UNC Asheville, Anka, and Avery Creek. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Buncombe, North Carolina. The National Weather Service.
I have no idea what is this? Probably another SVR for Jackson or some shit. Get a fucking signal, goddammit.
Warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe and Madison. Here is a special weather statement.
Fucking hell.
A strong thunderstorm.
Look at that. Christ. Oh, shit. What the hell was that? I don't know what was interfering, but damn. Oh man, this isn't exactly good. I'm literally fucking stuck. Well, I say stuck, but... Well, I say stuck, but I'm literally... I don't want to chance it with a fucking lightning storm over my head. So I'm literally just sitting here, inside my car, just waiting it out. 'Cause that's the best I can do right now. Oh, fuck! It looks like, okay, some lightning is happening. I'm getting, looks to be like a marble-sized hail on top of my car right now. It's hailing as I speak. I don't know if you can hear it, but... Oh yeah, you can! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that! Look! It's hailing! It's hailing! It's hailing! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! It's hailing! Look at that! It's hailing! Marble size! Wow! I have never seen it like this. Wow! Wow! So, Ty Gibbs spun. Ty Gibbs just spun under caution. Oh my God! Wow! Wow! Ooh, the hail is getting bigger. It's getting bigger. Whoa! Bro, I can't see a goddamn thing!
Dude, it looks like fucking shit. Oh my God, look at...
Whoa! Bro, it's hailing like crazy! This is awesome! This is awesome!
This is the reason here. I'll send an EVR. This is the EVR for chat.
Oh, this is awesome! Oh, shit! Oh, great. Oh my God. GSP, issue an SVR for Mitchell County now. Look at this. Look at that. It's right over me. I'm literally in the fucking pink. I'm in the pink on radar. Holy shit. Bro, holy. It's not that bad, but holy crap.
Anything hail size storm reporting, my guy.
Oh, oh. Bro, this is bad. Holy shit. The wind is blowing, the hail is dropping, and I don't know what to do. Yeah, that's all I'm doing. I'm riding it out. The hail's falling. The lightning is striking. The wind is blowing. I'm recording it all, man. I'm getting all this shit. Holy crap. Wow. It's just all happening at once. Oh, yeah. Look at that storm core right there. Dude, bro, I can't even see outside. I can't even see outside because the hail made the windows all fogged up. Damn. It's still hailing. It's still going on. I'm not sure if you can, well, you can hear it. You can definitely hear that. Can you hear that? The hail hitting the car? Can you hear that? I don't know what's going on, but... Wow. This is awesome. GSP needs to issue an SVR. Oh my God!
GSP needs to issue something.
Dude, issue something for me. Issue it for my county now. This is a...
I see pink.
Yeah, I'm in the pink. Well, just barely, but... Just barely, but holy crap. They need to do something about this, like, right now.
GSP pulled the trigger.
Issue an SVR for Avery, Burke, McDowell, Mitchell, Yancey. Please, they have to do that because, oh my God, this has to be one of the worst storms I've ever been through. Like, this is pretty bad for up here, you know? This is pretty bad up here. Let's see what happens if I open the... Woo! Raining like crazy. Some hail just went on my arm.
It's my second concert. I'm done.
I'm gonna eat the hail. I'm gonna eat it.
What? Why don't you eat the hell, my guy?
Delicious! Tastes like ice.
Yes.
Tastes like ice.
Yes, redneck ice cubes.
Yes! You know what? It actually tastes pretty good.
This man literally does it's hailing outside this man.
It actually tastes pretty good. No joke. It actually tastes... It's like ice. It's just ice. That's all it is.
Mother Nature be like, hey, yo, what the fuck?
No, she'd be like, hey, yo, what the fuck?
God damn, man.
You're chewing on my fucking ice cubes. All right, it looks like it stopped. It looks like the hail stopped, but it's still raining cats and dogs. And the lightning is all around me. Like, it's everywhere. Everywhere.
Damn.
I might have to, you know what? I'm gonna turn the car on just to defog the windows.
Fuck those windows.
Ah!
Are you actually recording this right now?
Yes, I'm recording all of it.
Hey, Mox, DEAS.
Yeah. Let's see if I can defog the windows. Oh, shit. That was far from good. I don't know if you heard that or not, or saw that, but did you see the flashes on the camera at least? No, that's about it. Oh, not even the defogger helps. Damn. And let me guess. Whoa! I want to hear that thunderclap. I want to hear how close that was.
That's what she said.
At the same time, I would be ducking down if I were you.
That's very close.
Jesus Christ. I'm right in the thick of it, man. I can't get out.
Yes, from Wilmington.
I can't get out. I'm right in the thick of it. It's hailing again! Chester County SVR. Whoa! Lightning again. And,
Wait,
but yeah.
Chester, South Carolina.
Yep. But look, Wilmington has been pretty horny lately. Look at this. It's a dick and balls! It's a dick and balls! Why does everything look like a dick?
I guess that's Ohio's state of...
Well, time to get this warning.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damage winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Take shelter inside an interior room. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and will lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using #NWSGFT. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until daylight time for the following county: Chester, South Carolina.
Dude, I'm still pretty hyped that it was actually hailing here. That was cool. That was cool.
Hold on here.
Oh man, here comes the rain, guys. Here comes the rain. Tell me what gets issued. I'm going in the rain. I'm going in.
Yeah, hold on. Strong thunderstorms holding back the western Cabarrus, Mecklenburg, southeastern Gaston, western Union, northeastern Chester, and eastern York counties at 3:45 p.m.
I'm going in. I mean, and this is the storm that has the pink in it, in Spruce Pine. This is the one.
Yeah, that's how Charlotte's under this.
Here we go. I'm going in. Here we go.
Hey, Charlotte Motor Speedway's under that SBS.
Yes, it is.
In Concord. I'm sorry, you want to say that again? Just speak again? You're so lovely, my guy. I'll give you shit about that. Oh. I'll show you why in a second.
Woo, damn!
Down Hamilton County, Ohio, on 14 on the side. That's why I said
Oh, I'm getting some hail again. I'm getting marble-sized hail in Spruce Pine right now. Marble to dime size. It's all over my car. There's lightning everywhere. It's hailing like mad. It's going crazy right now.
Why? Well, the woman just interviewing under
SPC. Got some flooding going on. We got some flooding in Spruce Pine. Minor flooding, but it was enough to make the car swerve a little bit to the left. Still rolling though, nice and good, but yeah. Yep, that's it. That's the one I'm after. What's the shit? What's the some more flooding?
Right now, Florida County spotter report details exercise.
Oh my God. Hey.
Yeah.
There's some big flooding here in Spruce Pine right now. The whole sidewalk is completely covered. I'm recording all of it right now. Well, I'm recording everything in the footage right now, so it's going to be in the compilation, but the sidewalks, they are completely covered. It is a monsoon right now.
I thought I could say something, but it would result in me getting canceled.
What's happening?
SVR, Dylan.
Yeah, SVR.
For where?
Franklin, Madison,
Sorry to hear thunder. Strong thunderstorm on back portions of southern Kansas, northwest Oregon, and northwest northeastern Oregon, Pendleton, and southwestern Clermont counties with 345.
Josh Berry continues. Feels a little bit different after going through those tunnels. The steering's heavier. I don't know what it was, but it's probably from the tunnels that I got used to. But the steering's a little bit heavier now, but still running good. I don't know what that could be, but the steering's a little bit heavier now. No, I'm in Spruce Pine. Like I'm in down. I can't. The payment didn't go through yet for some fucking reason. It's not your fault. It's fucking Messenger. All right, I think my car's going back to normal. I think it was one of those puddles that just made it feel weird. Maybe some water got into the wheel arch. Car's fine.
Oh no! Oh no!
Uh-oh.
Here you choose the leaders!
Again?
Again!
No surprise.
That's too funny.
Isn't it? Oh, that's perfect.
through flooded roadways. Please report damage in winds, hail, or weather service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Davie, and Rowan. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Davie County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Western Rowan County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Salisbury, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Salisbury, Spencer, Tuolumne, Piedmont Research Station, Woodleaf, and Mount Ella. Radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Johnson City, Greenville, Elizabethton, Jonesboro, Tusculum, Oak Grove, Central, Midway, Pinecrest, and Graves. This includes Interstate 26 in Tennessee between mile markers 13 and 27. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now you... Eastern Daylight Time. Doppel radar rain to Monday. Miles per hour. 40 miles. Until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:38 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tusculum, 50 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Huh?
Thunderstorm damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greenville, Jonesboro, Tusculum, Mosheim, Telford, Avondale, Limestone, and Davie Crockett Birthplace. This includes Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 39 and 45. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Man, what did I do to my big toe? What did I do? Oh. Okay, it's not a puncture. It's an internal bleeding. How do you internally bleed from the skin? How the fuck does that happen?
Or near Rogersville, moving west at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Johnson City, Kingsport, Jonesboro, Gray, Oak Grove, Spurgeon, Colonial Heights, Bluff City, Mortal Street, and Tri-City Airport. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 in Tennessee between mile markers 5 and 19. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 42 and 64. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
By the way, this antenna is coming loose. I need new tape for it. But until then, oh. Boing. 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 In case you've always wanted to know what is under that plastic antenna cover for the Midland HHs, now you know. It's a spring.
National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Allegheny County in northwestern North Carolina, western Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, northeastern Wilkes County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, southwestern Patrick County in southwestern Virginia until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Mountain Park, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mount Airy, Gilcan, Flat Rock, Dobson, Kayla, Mountain Park, and Bottom. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. For your safety, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Stay away from windows. When it is safe to do so, please send your reports of hail of any size, as well as reports of any wind damage, including downfreeze or large winds, to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free at 1-866-215-4324. Reports and pictures can also be shared on the National Weather Service Blacksburg Facebook page and on Twitter. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Wilkes, North Carolina. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Allegheny County. Wilkesboro. See before and after pics, phone number, and location on their Facebook page. For insurance or direct auto body collision repair, contact Extreme.
Jefferson's and Galax, lows in the low 60s tonight.
Hey, AJ.
Davidson, you fucking kitties! Deal with it! No scream for you, bitch.
County in central North Carolina, northwestern Guilford County in central North Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northwest of Thomasville, or 9 miles north of Lexington, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour, northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and heavy-side hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensboro, Winston-Salem, High Point, Lexington,
What for Stokes and Surrey? What?
SVR.
Shit.
A non-profit life plan community embracing Moravian values of warmth, respect, and fellowship, celebrating 50 years of service to Raven souls. More at salemtown.org. I'm Janine Herbst with these headlines. President Biden signed legislation granting Ukraine.
The National Weather Service in Greenwood, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Alexander County and the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles east of Lenore, or near Cedar Rock, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cedar Rock, Ellendale, Kings Creek, Little River in Alexander County, and Lenore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Alexander and Caldwell. The National Weather Radio on hazards. KJY 85 broadcasting from the air. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Alexander County and the Piedmont of North Carolina, northeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles east of Lenore, or near Cedar Rock, and is nearly stationary. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cedar Rock, Ellendale, Kings Creek, Little River in Alexander County, and Lenore. A severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Marion, moving more than 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Merriam, Lake James State Park, Lake James, Nebo, Sugar Hill, Glenwood, Farrow, Geysersville, Glen Alpine, and Woodlawn. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to minor flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burt and McDowell. The National Weather Service in Green.
Damn. I can hear the thunder from here. And see the lightning. Oh man.